Changing your Olbia vermiculite lining. To remove the old vermiculite, start with the top baffle plate. Then remove the 3 holding clips for the side and rear pieces. Remove the side pieces, and then the 3 rear sections. Remove the top metal baffle, clean and reinstall. Vacuum thoroughly. Installing new vermiculite. Add 1 side piece first, then the 3 rear pieces. Add 2 holding clips. Now add the other side piece and the final clip. Install the top vermiculite baffle. Replace base grate and wood retainer bar. The vermiculite must be burned in gently. Make a kindling fire with the air control open fully. Once the fire is established, close the air to 50% and allow to burn out. Repeat this step once more after the fire goes out. Your Olbia fireplace is now ready for normal operation.